Like the blossom of a cherry tree, my heart turns pink within your vicinity. There is no one else but you. No one else but me for you. They wanna take away our happy ending, suffocate our happy ending. Little they know how my love is true. They try to put to death our happy ending, sabotage our happiness. Rest assured our happy ending will come through.
I don't feel much. I never could. But when I met Senpai, I began to feel love for once, like any normal girl would. I adored him and it felt so good. Some other girls like Senpai as well. But he's mine, so those other girls can go to hell. I'll stop anyone who gets in my way. Don't mess with the yandere. Go